Welcome to our Java programming tutorial. Today, we're diving deep into loops, essential constructs for any Java developer. Mastering loops in Java, exploring for, while, and do while. Let's start with the for loop. It's perfect for iterating over a fixed range of values. Here's how it works. In this loop, I starts at 0, increments by 1 each iteration, and stops when it reaches 5. Simple, right? Next up, the while loop. It's perfect when you don't know the number of iterations in advance. Take a look at this example. Here, I starts at 0, and the loop continues as long as I is less than 5. Remember to increment I within the loop to avoid an infinite loop. Lastly, we have the do while loop. It's similar to while but guarantees at least one execution. Check out this example. Even if the condition is false initially, the loop body executes at least once before checking the condition. Now that you're familiar with these loops, here are some best practices to keep in mind. Always initialize loop control variables. Ensure proper termination conditions to avoid infinite loops. Use for when you know the number of iterations, while for indefinite iterations, and do while for at least one execution. Congratulations! You've mastered loops in Java, essential tools for writing efficient and clean code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Java tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!